Some BMW engines will take you past 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Others will not make it to 70,000 miles before they need a complete rebuild. The difference is the engine code stamped on your VIN plate. That's what separates a bulletproof Bimmer from an $8,000 repair bill. Today we are breaking down the 3 worst BMW engines you should avoid and the 4 best engines that will last a lifetime. Let's kick off the countdown with the first engine every BMW buyer needs to watch out for. In the 3rd worst spot, the BMW N20 turbocharged 4-cylinder is a setup for catastrophic failure because of one fateful decision: plastic timing chain guides. Found in 2012 to 2017 328i, 320i, and X3 models, this engine lured buyers with promises of efficiency and modern tech. But under the surface, those plastic guides wear down long before the rest of the car, sometimes cracking as early as 70,000 miles. The telltale sign is a high-pitched whine from the front of the engine, especially between 1,500 and 2,500 RPM. Ignore it, and you risk the timing chain skipping a tooth, slamming pistons into valves, and totaling the engine in seconds. Repair bills range from $2,700 at an independent shop to over $7,000 at the dealer, sometimes nearly matching the car's value. BMW did update the guides for 2015 and later, but early models remain a ticking time bomb for used buyers. When it comes to modern BMW cars, the N20 timing chain disaster is a cautionary tale that is all too common, and it only gets worse from here. In the 2nd worst spot, the BMW N47 turbo diesel delivers a masterclass in how a single design decision can wreck an entire engine's reputation. This 2-liter diesel-powered, countless European 320 to 520 X3 and X5 models from 2007 to 2014, promising impressive mileage and torque. But hidden at the very back of the engine, pressed up against the firewall, sits the Achilles heel, a rear-mounted timing chain. Unlike most engines where timing chains are accessible from the front, the N47's chain is buried behind the engine, making even simple maintenance a logistical nightmare. When the oil-starved tensioner allows the chain to stretch, a common fate due to poor lubrication, owners face a repair that can run 40 to 50 hours of labor. That means a bill between $4,000 and $12,000, often more than the car is worth. BMW issued a technical bulletin to swap in a better tensioner, but unless the chain is replaced before it stretches, the damage is already done. As a result, thousands of N47 powered cars have been written off, not by catastrophic engine explosions, but by the economic reality of a repair that totals the vehicle. The used market reflects this. N47 diesels sell at a steep discount, haunted by the specter of a chain failure that is both inevitable and unaffordable to fix. And finally, in first place, the BMW N63 twin-turbo V8 stands as the most notorious engine disaster in modern BMW history. This 4.4-liter powerhouse, found in the 550i, 650i, 750i, and X550i from 2008 to 2013, promised relentless performance but delivered a nightmare of cascading failures tied to one fatal flaw: the hot V layout. By placing both turbochargers between the cylinder banks, BMW created a furnace at the heart of the engine. Temperatures soar past 900 degrees Celsius, baking everything around them, especially the valve stem seals. The result? Oil consumption so extreme that burning a quart every 700 to 1,200 miles became the norm, with BMW telling owners this was within spec. But the damage doesn't stop there. That relentless heat cooks the Vanos solenoids, fries fuel injectors, and destroys plastic cooling system parts at an alarming rate. Lifter collapse and turbocharger failures can strike as early as 60,000 miles, leaving owners with repair bills ranging from $8,000 to $12,000, sometimes more than the car is worth. In 2014, BMW issued the so-called Customer Care Package, an unprecedented move to replace swaths of components in an attempt to stem the tide of complaints. Yet, even after this intervention, the N63's core thermal issues remained unsolved. No other BMW engine of this era racks up such a long list of catastrophic, heat-driven failures with such regularity. For anyone considering a used 550i, 650i, or X550i from these years, the N63 isn't just a risk, it's a ticking time bomb. If you want to avoid the heartbreak of endless repairs and oil top-ups, this is the engine to run from. Number 4 on the safe list, the BMW N55 Turbo Inline-6 marks a turning point for modern BMW reliability. Introduced in 2009, this engine powers favorites like the 335i, 435i, 535i, and even the first-generation M2, blending turbocharged punch with a reputation for manageable upkeep. Unlike its twin-turbo N54 predecessor, the N55 uses a single twin-scroll turbo, cutting complexity and reducing failure points. Owners often reach 150,000 to 200,000 miles with routine care, a far cry from the early turbo disasters. Direct injection does mean carbon buildup on the intake valves, so expect a walnut blast cleaning every 60,000 to 80,000 miles, usually under $1,000 at a specialist shop. The plastic charge pipe is a known weak spot, often cracking under boost, but an affordable aluminum upgrade solves the issue for good. While it is not as bulletproof as the older naturally aspirated 6s, the N55 stands out as a modern BMW engine that delivers strong performance without the looming threat of catastrophic failure. Number 3 among the safest BMW engines, the S54 naturally aspirated inline-6 brings motorsport pedigree to the street, but it demands respect from anyone who wants it to last. Under the hood of the E46 M3 and the Z3M and Z4M models from 2000 to 2008, this 3.2-liter powerhouse delivers up to 343 horsepower and revs to a thrilling redline at 7,900 revolutions per minute. It is a symphony of individual throttle bodies, double Van-Ois variable valve timing, and a cast iron block built for high revving abuse. But with this level of performance comes a checklist of critical maintenance. Ignore it, and the S54 will punish your wallet. The most notorious weak spot is the rod bearings, especially in early models. BMW issued a technical bulletin for cars from 2001 to 2003, and specialists recommend preventive replacement every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Van-Ois hub tabs and cam sprocket bolts are next. If left unchecked, they can loosen or break, causing power loss or catastrophic valve damage. A full Van-Ois rebuild and bolt upgrade is smart insurance, typically done around 80,000 miles. With these known issues addressed, S54s routinely cross the 150,000 mile mark, and many see 200,000 miles or more. For enthusiasts willing to stay ahead of the maintenance curve, the S54 rewards with one of the purest, most durable, high-performance experiences BMW ever offered. In second place, among the safest BMW engines, the N52 naturally aspirated inline-6 delivers everyday reliability with just one critical caveat. Debuting in 2004 and found in the E93 series, the E70 X5, and a wide range of X models, through 2015, the N52 stands out for its lightweight magnesium aluminum composite block, a bold engineering move that trimmed more than 30 pounds off the engine bay. This weight savings translates to sharper handling and better fuel economy, making the N52 a favorite for drivers who want a responsive, practical BMW without turbo headaches. Port fuel injection means there is no risk of direct injection carbon buildup, and the Valvetronic system provides smooth, efficient throttle response. High mileage examples topping 200,000 miles are common, with owners reporting minimal drama outside of basic gaskets and seals. But there is one non-negotiable rule: never let the N52 overheat. Magnesium's low melting point means a failed cooling system, often caused by the notorious Mickey Mouse flange or a cracked composite block, can quickly turn a dependable workhorse into a paperweight. Catch coolant leaks early and act fast on any temperature warning, and the N52 will reward you with years of trouble-free driving. It is this blend of modern efficiency, proven longevity, and one simple maintenance watch item that earns the N52 its runner-up spot among BMW's most dependable engines. And finally, in first place, the BMW M54 Inline 6 stands as the gold standard for anyone chasing true reliability in a used BMW, built from 2000 to 2006, and found in legends like the E46 330i, E39 530i, X5, and Z4. The M54 proves that sometimes the simplest formula is the most enduring. Its cast iron block and aluminum head shrug off the miles, while port fuel injection and double Vanos variable valve timing keep the power smooth and predictable. There is no turbo to fail, no direct injection to clog, just a straightforward, naturally aspirated layout that rewards routine care with mile after mile of dependable service. The evidence is everywhere. Owners routinely report 250,000 miles, 300,000 miles, even 500,000 miles on original internals. Ward's named it one of the 10 best engines 3 years running, and for good reason. The most common issues: minor oil leaks from the valve cover or oil filter housing gaskets, are well documented and inexpensive to fix, rarely threatening the engine's core health. Cooling system refreshes and Vanos seal replacements are part of the long-term maintenance plan, not signs of looming disaster. With basic upkeep, the M54 shrugs off decades of daily driving, high-revving highway runs, and even the occasional track day. For used BMW shoppers, the M54 is the answer to sleepless nights about catastrophic failures. It is the engine that built BMW's reputation for bulletproof straight sixes, a reputation that is earned, not inherited. If you want a car that will still be running strong when others are headed to the scrapyard, this is the one to seek out. The M54 is not just the safest bet, it is proof that great engineering stands the test of time. Across all 7 engines, one pattern stands out: BMW's legendary reliability lives and dies by engineering choices. The safest bets stick to proven inline 6 formulas, while shortcuts lead to disaster. For any buyer, knowing the engine code isn't trivia, it's the difference between heartbreak and high-mile legends. Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for more rankings.